This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Black Ops 6 is fully updated and you're signed into your platform account. Once done, launch the game and go straight to the main menu. Don't wander into multiplayer yet. Navigate to Settings and pick the Language or Audio/Subtitle tab. This is the control center for text and voice options. You're doing this now so the game downloads only the needed language packs and avoids extra restarts later. You'll now select the specific language for voices and for on-screen text. Many players prefer separate settings. Choose the desired language, and when prompted, accept any additional download or install. The game may fetch voice files or subtitles. If the in-game option is grayed out, make sure your console or PC regional language isn't forcing the choice. Once the download finishes, the game usually queues the changes, but might require a restart to apply them cleanly. Finish by applying changes and restarting the game and your system so new language assets load fully. This prevents mixed language menus or missing audio. After reboot, open settings to confirm the selected voice and text languages are active, then test in a short match or campaign scene to verify spoken lines and UI changed. If something looks wrong, clear the game cache or reinstall the specific language pack. That one troubleshooting step resolves most asset mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.